Hello and welcome to my channel. Here, we explore how artificial intelligence can transform your daily life and help you achieve financial freedom. Today, I'll share a step-by-step guide on how to use AI tools to boost your Amazon affiliate marketing game. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking for smarter ways to grow your income, this video is for you. So, stick around. Let's start with the basics. Amazon Affiliate Marketing is a program where you earn commissions by promoting products listed on Amazon. Here's how it works. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program and get approved. Choose the products you want to promote. Share your unique affiliate links with your audience. Earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. But here's the deal. Simply sharing links isn't enough to succeed. You need smart strategies and engaging content to stand out. That's where artificial intelligence comes in to save the day. AI tools can help you streamline every step of your affiliate marketing journey. Let's dive into the top ways AI can help. Content creation made easy. With tools like ChatGPT, you can instantly generate engaging product descriptions, blog posts, or social media captions. For example, just type in the product details, and it will create professional copy for you in seconds. Find the best keywords. Use AI-powered platforms like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs to identify high-traffic keywords that your audience is searching for. Targeting the right keywords is key to driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. Create stunning visuals. Tools like Canva or Adobe Express, powered by AI, make it easy to design eye-catching banners, social media posts, and thumbnails. You don't need to be a designer to create professional-looking content. Analyze data and improve. AI analytics tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar can show you what's working and what's not. For example, you can track which products get the most clicks or where your audience spends the most time on your website or social posts. Now that you know how AI can help, let me walk you through the steps to start your affiliate marketing journey today. Sign up for Amazon Affiliates. Head to the Amazon Associates website and complete the registration process. Approval usually takes just a few days. Choose products that match your niche. Are you into tech gadgets? Or maybe health and fitness? Focus on products that align with your audience's interests to maximize engagement. Create your content with AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write a compelling blog post or Canva to design a stunning social media post. For example, create a post comparing two products and include your affiliate links. Promote your content. Share your work across social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You can even use AI scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate your posts for the best times. Track your progress and optimize. Regularly check your affiliate performance using analytics tools. If a particular product isn't converting well, try experimenting with another one. And that's how you can use AI to revolutionize your Amazon affiliate marketing strategy. With the right tools and consistent effort, you can turn this into a reliable income stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered tips. Check the description for links to all the tools I mentioned, and let's make your affiliate journey a success. See you in the next video.